Welcome to another Aquafin product demo video. This segment features Aquafin's Pavemend SLQ very rapid setting, self-leveling structural repair mortar. As shown in this video, it is packaged in a ready-to-use 5-gallon pail. After dry mixing the powder, add 1 gallon of water and continue mixing to temperature, not time. Once the mix reaches 85 degrees Fahrenheit, SLQ is ready for placement ranging from 1/4 inch to full depth when extended with aggregate. SLQ is formulated for extreme conditions and can be applied in ambient temperatures ranging from -20 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit without special mixing or curing. After 2 to 4 minutes of working time, SLQ reaches compressive strengths of up to 3,000 psi in 1 hour and ultimate strengths of over 6,000 psi in 28 days. Formulated for extreme durability, typical applications include loading docks, bridge decks, machine base plates and bearing slabs, warehouse floors, marine docks, piers, and post-tension cable repairs. Selecting the right product mix is key to success when addressing concrete repairs. Contact Aquafin today, and our knowledgeable technical team will help you evaluate your situation and provide product selections and recommendations.